Greetings again from Kärsön Naturistbad. I'm now on the very beginning where the rocks begin that are part of the nudist beach, and then continue along the road, along the coast, all the way to the west side. So you can choose actually to be on the east side during the morning and then on the west side in the evening, and on the south side that's facing, or actually that's facing north, it will be probably the last sun of all. On this very spot I have filmed an episode from Kärsön Naturistbad 2 years ago, and that is my second most watched video on my channel, Beach Adventures by Chris, where I'm showing you different beach locations, mostly in Stockholm region, but also from my travels around the world. And the nudist beaches have the most views usually on my channel. Now it is 10 a.m. So very early, and there is very few people on the other side of the beach, but obviously I won't film where they are as I respect people's privacy. But I'm showing you this part of the beach, and so beautiful and still Mälaren, the lake. Just look at it, it's absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. There is sun here from early morning, and then you need to move to the west side to get some more sun later in the day. It's located, Kärsön Naturistbad, on the very north part of Kärsön, which is an island, but it's connected with bridges towards the Bromma area and also the Ekerö area, and it's in Ekerö. So this is my second beach adventure from Ekerö, as I have made beach adventure from the west side of this beach, so check that out as well. I'm out very early today, and this is my third swim, and it's only 10 a.m. so it's gonna be quite a long day to explore, as I will be going to the sea as well to continue my sea streak. Look at the water, it's so beautiful, it's so amazing. We are overlooking Ängbybadet on the other side, that has actually right now caution not to swim because of polluted water. So I really hope that that doesn't count for this part of the lake Mälaren. We can see here all the way to Vällingby and Hässelby, and here is this beautiful natural nudist beach, Kärsön Naturistbad. I'm now walking on some flat rocks that are not so slippery as last time I was here, and the sun is still up. Let's see when it will disappear, as this week they said it's going to be quite cloudy and rainy, but so far so good. 23 degrees Celsius in the air and 24 in the lake Mälaren. It looks so beautiful indeed. Alright, then let's go in for a swim at Kärsön Naturistbad, the second swim here on this nudist beach today. So let's go! Ooh. Now that's amazing. Pure nature all around. In Swedish, nudist beach is called Naturistbad, as it comes from nature, from the word natur, as the person is being born naturally, right? We are being born without clothes, and then we learn how to use them. But beautiful morning swim. The lake is so still, there is no wind at all. I really doubt that today is going to be rain, but you never know. The weather can change very swiftly in Stockholm. But in the past 30 days, when I was on my beach adventures with public transport, it was sunny at least 20 of the days, most of the day. So you can see that through my misadventures and the videos that I have. So, greetings from Kärsön Naturistbad. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures. Peace.